Hi everyone, I am Srisha. This is your second lesson in grade 2 science. Today's chapter is My Body Organs. Before we start our topic, shall I recall your new words? Skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. Bones. B-O-N-E-S. Bones. B-O-N-E-S. Bones. Skeleton. S-K-E-L-E-T-O-N. Skeleton. S-K-E-L-E-T-O-N. Skeleton. Blood. B-L-O-O-D. Blood. B-L-O-O-D. Blood. Organ. O-R-G-A-N. Organ. O-R-G-A-N. Organ. Brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Lungs. L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Chest. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. Muscles. M-U-S-C-L-E-S. Muscles. M-U-S-C-L-E-S. Muscles. Pump. P-U-M-P. Pump. P-U-M-P. Pump. Breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. Digest. D-I-G-E-S-T. Digest. D-I-G-E-S-T. Digest. Food. F-O-O-D. Food. F-O-O-D. Food. Think. T-H-I-N-K. Think. T-H-I-N-K. Think. Feel. F-E-E-L. Feel. F-E-E-L. Feel. Now, we are going to take a recap about your previous topic. What did you learn in your previous class? Shall I tell you? Brain and heart. Am I correct, children? Brain. Brain is present inside our head. It helps us to think and learn. The brain controls all the organs and actions of our body. Next, heart. Heart is present inside our chest. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. It is made up of muscles. Now, we are going to see our today's topic is lungs and stomach. First, we are going to know about lungs. The lungs are a pair of spongy, breathing or air-filled organs located on either side of the chest. Your lungs bring fresh oxygen into your body. Try and feel the bones in your chest. These are called ribs. Under the ribs, we have the lungs. They are 2 in number. They help us to breathe. Lungs increase in size when we breathe in air and decrease in size when we breathe out. Now, shall we do this action together once? Let's get ready. Before start this action, hold your hands under your chest, both sides. Okay, children? Now, breathe in. Hold your breath. While breathing time, could you feel it? What is happening under your chest? If you breathe in, your lungs increase in size. Right. Now breathe out. Can you feel it? Your lungs is decrease in size. Yes. Good. Next, we are going to know about stomach. The stomach is the organ of your body, kind of a big sack that digests food. The stomach is a sack-like organ that lies below the chest in the abdomen. It digests the food we eat. Our body gets energy from the food that we eat. Our stomach does not have teeth to break down the food that we eat. Hence, we should chew our food properly. Now, I hope that you all understand our today's topic. I have planned to give you few questions for recollect our topic. Refer your concept book in the page number of 23 and answer the following questions in the note. Shall I tell your first question? Your first question is, lungs dash in size when we breathe in air. Lungs dash in size when we breathe in air. Your second question is, dash is a sac-like organ that digests the food. Dash is a sac-like organ that digests the food. Your third question is, we have dash lungs in our body. We have dash lungs in our body. Your options are A. 1, B. 2, C. 3. Your options are A. 1, B. 2, C. 3. Now, we are going to do an activity with your family members. Okay, children. Refer your concept book in the page number of 25 and do the activities with your family members. Shall we? Get into groups of 6 and form a circle. Each member in the circle will enact an action related to the body parts discussed. The other members will guess the name of the body part. For example, a learner may take a deep breath to enact lungs. And answer the followings also. Your first one is, what action did you perform? What action did you perform? Your second one is, with which organ was your action related? With which organ was your action related? Your third one is, were other members of the group able to guess the body organ? Were other members of the group able to guess the body organ? Your fourth one is, what actions did other members of your group perform? What actions did other members of your group perform? Your fifth one is, were you able to guess the body organs enacted by others? Were you able to guess the body organs enacted by others? I hope that you all enjoyed our today's class. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.